Question 1. What is the primary role of the network layer in the OSI model? A. Encapsulating and de-encapsulating data. B. Handling logical addressing and routing. C. Encrypting and decrypting data. D. Detecting and correcting errors. Correct answer: B. Handling logical addressing and routing. The network layer, Layer 3 of the OSI model, is responsible for logical addressing using IP addresses and determining the best path for data to travel across networks. It enables communication between devices on different networks by handling packet forwarding and routing decisions. Question 2. Which network topology consists of a central hub to which all nodes are directly connected? A. Bus topology. B. Star topology. C. Ring topology. D. Mesh topology. Correct answer: B. Star topology. Star topology is a network topology that consists of a central hub to which all nodes are directly connected, facilitating efficient communication and centralized management. This structure ensures that data travels through the central device, reducing the risk of collisions and simplifying troubleshooting. Question 3. Which authentication protocol commonly uses tickets to grant access to resources based on a user's credentials? A. Radius. B. Takacs plus C. Kerberos. D. Semis. Correct answer: C. Kerberos. Kerberos is an authentication protocol that commonly uses tickets to grant access to resources based on a user's credentials, ensuring secure and mutual authentication. It operates by issuing time-limited tickets from a trusted key distribution center to verify user identity without repeatedly transmitting passwords. Question 4. What is the main objective of a honey net in cybersecurity? A. Proactively prevent all network attacks. B. Observe and analyze the actions of attackers in a passive manner. C. Secure all network traffic by encryption to avoid unauthorized access. D. Replicate a real network environment for training purposes. Correct answer: B. Observe and analyze the actions of attackers in a passive manner. A honey net is a cybersecurity mechanism designed to observe and analyze the actions of attackers in a passive manner by simulating a vulnerable network environment. It consists of multiple honeypots that attract malicious actors, allowing security teams to study attack techniques and gather intelligence. Question 5. Which protocol is responsible for sending and receiving email messages over a TCP/IP network? A. TCP. B. UDP. C. CIP. D. SMTP. Correct answer: D. SMTP. SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is a communication protocol used to send and receive email messages over a TCP/IP network by facilitating message transfer between mail servers. It operates on port 25 for mail relay, port 587 for email submission, and ensures reliable email delivery using a store and forward mechanism. Question 6. What is the main function of a digital signature in cybersecurity? A. Encrypt sensitive information during transmission. B. Implement access control policies. C. Block unauthorized access to network resources. D. Ensure non-repudiation and authenticate digital content. Correct answer. D. Ensure non-repudiation and authenticate digital content. Digital signature is a cryptographic mechanism used to ensure non-repudiation and authenticate digital content by verifying the sender's identity and ensuring data integrity. It is created using a private key and can be verified using the corresponding public key, preventing tampering and forgery. Question 7. Which method is commonly used to reduce the effects of a DDoS attack on a network or system? A. Applying robust data encryption. B. Installing intrusion detection systems. C. Using content delivery networks. D. Enforcing stringent password policies. Correct answer. C. Using content delivery networks. A content delivery network, CDN, is a network of distributed servers that collaborate to deliver content to users based on their geographical location. CDNs help mitigate the impact of DDoS attacks by spreading the traffic load across several servers, preventing any single server from becoming overwhelmed. By caching content in various locations, CDNs can handle large amounts of traffic and create a more resilient network, minimizing the risk of downtime during a DDoS attack. Question 8. Which OSI model layer handles framing and flow control? A. Physical layer. B. Data link layer. C. Transport layer. D. Network layer. Correct answer. B. Data link layer. The data link layer, layer 2 in the OSI model, is responsible for framing and controlling data flow. It takes the raw bits from the physical layer, organizes them into frames, and ensures reliable data transfer between devices on the same network. This layer also manages error detection and flow control to avoid data overflow, guaranteeing efficient communication. Question 9. Which protocol handles addressing and routing of packets between networks in a TCP/IP network? A. TCP, B. UDP, C. IP, D. SMTP. Correct answer. C. IP. IP, Internet Protocol, is that protocol responsible for assigning addresses and routing packets between different networks in a TCP/IP-based environment. It provides logical addressing through IP addresses and determines the best path for data transmission across networks, ensuring efficient data delivery in the Internet and private network infrastructures. Question 10. What is the primary feature of a logic bomb? A. It quickly spreads throughout the network. B. It tracks user activities and collects sensitive data. C. It stays inactive until activated by a specific event or condition. D. It encrypts files and demands a ransom for decryption. Correct answer. C. It stays inactive until activated by a specific event or condition. A logic bomb is a type of malicious code that stays dormant until a specific event or condition triggers it. Once activated, it performs harmful actions, such as deleting files or corrupting data, based on the predefined trigger. Question 11. What is the main function of a firewall in network security? A. Encrypt network traffic. B. Authenticate users. C. Filter network traffic. D. Regulate network bandwidth. Correct answer. C. Filter network traffic. The main function of a firewall in network security is to filter network traffic according to predefined security rules. It supervises and controls both incoming and outgoing traffic, allowing or blocking data packets based on criteria like IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Firewalls are crucial for protecting networks from unauthorized access and potential threats by ensuring that only legitimate traffic is permitted. Question 2. Which virtualization technology is designed to maximize the utilization of physical server resources by running multiple virtual machines on a single host? A. Application virtualization. B. Network virtualization. C. Server virtualization. D. Storage virtualization. Correct answer. C. Server virtualization. Server virtualization aims to maximize the use of physical server resources by enabling multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical server. Each VM operates as an independent instance, with its own operating system and applications. This approach improves efficiency, scalability, and resource utilization, while also reducing hardware costs. Question 13. Which of the following is an example of an automated tool used for vulnerability assessment? A. Security awareness training. B. Intrusion detection system. C. Vulnerability scanner. D. Physical access controls. Correct answer. C. Vulnerability scanner. A vulnerability scanner is an automated tool used to detect and assess security weaknesses in a system or network. It scans software, hardware, and configurations for known vulnerabilities, providing insights into potential security risks that need to be mitigated. Question 14. Which encryption protocol is commonly used to secure VPN connections and enable remote access to corporate networks? A. AES. B. 3DES. C. WEEP. D. IPsec. Correct answer. D. IPsec. IPsec, Internet Protocol Security, is widely used to secure VPN connections and remote access to corporate networks. Operating at the network layer, Layer 3, of the OSI model, it authenticates and encrypts data exchanged between devices over an IP network. IPsec ensures secure communication by providing confidentiality, integrity, and authentication for transmitted data. Question 15. Which encryption algorithm is frequently used for securing email communications? A. DES. B. RSA. C. PGP. D. Blowfish. Correct answer. C. PGP. Pretty Good Privacy, PGP, is an encryption algorithm frequently used for securing email communications by providing end-to-end encryption and digital signatures. It uses a combination of symmetric and asymmetric encryption to protect email contents and verify sender authenticity. Question 16. Which kind of security policy defines the procedures and guidelines for managing security incidents and breaches? A. Data classification policy. B. Incident response policy. C. Remote access policy. D. Password policy. Correct answer. B. Incident Response Policy. An incident response policy is a security policy that defines procedures and guidelines for managing security incidents and breaches by outlining detection, response, and recovery steps. It includes roles, responsibilities, communication protocols, and mitigation strategies to minimize damage and restore normal operations. Question 17. Which encryption algorithm is widely used for digital signatures and key exchange protocols? A. DES, B. RSA, C. AES, D. 3DES. Correct answer: B. RSA. RSA, Rivest Shamir Adliaman, is an encryption algorithm widely used for digital signatures and key exchange protocols by utilizing asymmetric cryptography with a public and private key pair. It ensures secure communication, authentication, and data integrity in applications such as SSL, TLS, and email encryption. Question 18. Which layer of the OSI model is in charge of guaranteeing end-to-end data delivery and managing error recovery? A. Transport layer, B. Physical layer, C. Network layer, D. Data link layer. Correct answer: A. Transport layer. The transport layer, Layer 4 of the OSI model, ensures reliable data transmission between devices by handling error detection, retransmissions, and flow control. It uses protocols like TCP for reliable, connection-oriented communication and UDP for faster, connectionless communication. Question 19. Which of the following is a typical method used in vulnerability assessment to detect possible security flaws? A. Penetration testing, B. Data encryption, C. User access control, D. Physical security measures. Correct answer: A. Penetration testing. Penetration testing, pen testing, is a simulated cyber attack that evaluates an organization's security posture by identifying vulnerabilities in systems, networks, and applications. It helps organizations assess their defenses, detect weaknesses, and implement corrective measures before real attackers can exploit them. Question 20. What is the main purpose of a security patch? A. Detect security vulnerabilities. B. Exploit security flaws in the network. C. Eliminate the requirement for security policies. D. Resolve and fix known security vulnerabilities in software or systems. Correct answer: D. Resolve and fix known security vulnerabilities in software or systems. A security patch is an update designed to resolve and fix known security vulnerabilities in software or systems by addressing bugs, weaknesses, or exploits. It helps protect against cyber threats by closing security gaps that attackers could exploit to gain unauthorized access or disrupt operations. How many questions did you get right? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.